recipe, you're gonna need 4 overly ripe bananas, like these. The browner, the better. And just mash them together. And add in a 3/4 of a cup sugar. And mix that together. And you're going to add in 1 large egg. And 1/3 of a cup melted butter. And add in 1/3 of a cup of milk and mix that really well. And then sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, you're going to oil up a loaf pan and add in your mixture. You're going to cook your banana bread at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. You'll know your banana bread's ready when you're able to take a chopstick, poke it in, and it comes out clean. So let's test this out. Yeah, looks pretty clean to me. In retrospect, I probably shouldn't have used oil to grease the pan because it kind of made the cake a little mushy on the bottom. But, I mean, it still looks good and it tastes pretty good. So, try it out and like and subscribe for more. Once you let it cool, it does start to get less lopsided. And it's quite good, actually.